What's up, everybody? Blooms! May bagong release ang Bini. Remember yung una kong video, yung ng MV? I said, I wish na there is behind the scenes. Well, wish granted. So, here we go. Palalampasin ba natin ito? No! Let's do this! Kasi simula lang agad. May eskwela na agad.
Ang dami-dami mong chance para sa... 3, 2, 1... Hindi ko to talaga.
Unang kilig! Behind the scenes, right? Oh yeah. Sabi ko na nga ba, Dolphy Cheddar yan eh. Hello, honey.
Una nating layout is with our talent Andy, pero he's getting ready now for a bit. So unahin natin yung individual scenes during the talent auditions.
Kaya nasa loob natin nakikita yung mga hindi nakikitang cuts. Wow! At least nakikita natin they're having fun doing that, right?
With my first scene. But feeling ko naman, mag-work naman yung medyo natatawa ako doon. Kasi medyo na-cringe yun sa sarili ko. Kasi parang lahat kami nag-audition kami for a musical and gusto namin makapasa. So kahit medyo kami gagawin.
O ano yung ginawa mong tumbling? Anong tawag doon?
Tawag doon ay roll.
No, it's called Lara Croft Tomb Raider. And abracadabra. The magic of cinema.
I just finished my scene. It's about the audition scene. For my talent is I'm gonna do a magic show wherein I turn the dog toy to an actual dog, which is Mary Chow, and she's here with me.
Yes, and you're gorgeous.
Nandito siya sa ABS, and I never thought that I could bring her here kasi it's
Swatting aso.
bringing a dog here, you have to get permits. Pero for today, for this shoot, it was possible and we made it happen. And she was really such a good girl. Kasi
May talent pa rin ba si Honey? Oh no.
So, kakatapos lang nung part ko, nakakatawa kasi cry yung scene. And hindi ako sanay kasi itong music video na to, parang first time namin mag-acting, ganyan. As in acting talaga na may script, gano'n, and may facials talaga. And ang hirap pala ng mga artista, yung trip pala talaga madaling maging artista.
Kaya mo yung
Serious
statue.
talaga yung role, diba? Pero
We're going to
enjoy
be
ko
watching
kasi
for
unang
the Bini movie.
naiyak lang and mas nakakatawang way yung role ko.
Oh.
It's our best to set up, match together. So you can mix and match all you want. Jollibee Mix and Match. Our best to set up together. Starts at 78 lang.
It's Jollibee's, huh? Obvious ba? And that's Malloy being Malloy. You have to love her personality, diba? Ano? She's so bubbly.
Ng Maloy. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ganun pa ba ako ngayon. Pero grabe, parang ngayon ulit ako naging ganun kalikot. So, ayun, very OA, very sobrang extravaganza and everything. So, ang cute kasi na-imagine ko siya talaga na mapanood. Like, feeling ko super nakakatawa siya. Para siya, comedy na kilig and feel good na music video. And I really love the song, so I hope na, oh my God, na alam mo yun, marami maka-appreciate nito.
Yes, Lucky, we appreciate you so much.
Kaya ba mag-stunt poses in like an action movie? Very Carly Delisa, very approachable. Mga ano lang, papasok ka na. Ganyan. So may sipa-sipa, ganyan. Maangas na to, so...
Superhero landing. She's going to do a superhero landing. Yeah! Sabi na. Ay, oh. Okay. She's believable. I believe you, Colette. Nahingal siya.
Kakatapos ko lang po sa aking scene and ang scene ko po dito ay stunt, whatever stunts. Hindi ko to karang sobrang awkward. But yeah, nag-enjoy ako. I enjoyed it kasi yung character alam ko.
Yeah, you should be wearing a Black Widow costume, right? No, there's something about Gwen, okay? So, simulat sa Paul, she's got this model
Ay,
vibe.
kanina, nung nag-audition ako is parang model, fashionista, pero ang difference is
Yes, I know. Kung hindi siya naging beanie, I'm pretty sure naging siya model.
wala, gumawa lang ako ng poses, sabi nila big poses, facial expression. Actually, nahihirapan ako mag-focus because I'm too shy, you know.
What's your favorite line ng unang play?
Gusto mo na ba na sa akin manggaling? Gusto mo naman ano iniisip? Yeah. Kasi gusto ko yung melody niya. Parang sa akin tumatatak siya.
And then, gawin lang natin mga gymnast poses and just show your flexibility. Kung kaya mag-split, kung kaya. Pero hindi naman.
Of course you can. Dati siyang cheerleader.
3, 2, 1, action! Oh, yes! Oh.
Oh, ow, ow, ow. Be quiet.
So my scene is I don't know, like flexibility stuff, like split, kicks, gano'n.
She
Hindi ko
is
alam
so
kung bakit
flexible.
ako, pero kasi di ako nag-stretch, baka masira yung likod ko. So di ko na lang ginawa. Pero yeah, I think very me naman, like this outfit, mukha akong mag-pilates. I love this song kasi may mga ibang levels siya, ibang melodies, like especially from first verse to second verse, like hindi mo akalain that biglang bibilis yung pace ng second verse. So, ang ganda talaga ng transition niya doon. And I like the bridge part because it's very quiet and you really can listen to it like peacefully talaga. I feel like if you listen to it nasa car ka or anywhere, parang matutuwa ka talaga. Like you have no choice but to be happy.
Oh yes, we have no choice. We will be happy. And the happy pill is...
Ang gusto kong unang-unang rom-com if ever mag-acting ako, gusto ko sa school. Fantasy ko talaga yung sa school. Favorite ko sa K-drama yung mga school setup. Depende pa, di ko alam kung gusto ko na ako yung famous girl sa umpisa or yung girl na depends, pero gusto ko ng school setup.
3, 2, 1, action! Yun. And...
Talaga hindi pinapakita kung yung mukha ng mga guys. Ano. Kahit sa behind the scenes, hindi pinapakita yung mukha ng mga guys. Ah, okay, now we see them.
Tara guys, salubong agad!
Ito, hindi ko nakikita yung mukha.
Pagkakameme muna.
Captain Barbell! Hindi pwedeng wala yan.
Match together.
Makalabas nga at bumili ng Jollibee.
Mix and match. Our best sa sarap together. Starts at 78 lang.
I'll have the sundae and the peach mango pie, please.
So parang after... Sabi nila, it's okay, baby. Okay lang yan. Tapos parang... Mahihiyak kay Sir Lincoln.
Let's try. Okay, ready? Cameras ready?
It's okay, baby. Okay lang yan. Safe ka sa amin, ha? You know why, ha? Kasi nandito na si Mommy and Daddy!
It was fun working with Beanie kahit na sandali lang yung naging taping day ko dito. Nag-enjoy ako, kasama ko rin yung kids ko at nag-enjoy din sila na makasama yung Beanie. They're very nice, very polite, and very friendly.
Photo op.
Oh, yes! Kaibigan mo ako. Kaibigan mo lang ako. Oh, yes! Kaibigan mo ako. Kaibigan mo lang ako.
Perfect po yun. Cameras roll. Rolling. 3, 2, 1, action. Dahan. Huminga ka. One more. Ha? Taas mo na
That's
konti.
still Maloy being Maloy.
Action.
And I'm so stupid to make the biggest mistake, falling in love with my best friend.
Ay, bumaba naman. Taas mo na konti. Ha? Focus. Masyado ka nang
Mas
babakuhan eh.
mahaba to.
And cut! 3, 2, 1, action!
So, dialogue. Stay dyan. Sustain lang dyan.
Sustain lang ng tingin, sustain lang. Wala kami ng reaction.
And kunyari pupunta.
And then, pupunta kay Colette, opera ng tubig. And cut!
Nakakapanibago, syempre, like, iba yung music video, but they're very professional, galing nila, kahit syempre nakakapa, kasi kahit yung girls, mas sanay sila sa sayawan, sa ibang klaseng performance, but they did good, and I'm just proud to be part of this.
She's dating the gangster.
And cut!
So yung unang kilig, feeling ko, it's when the first time you feel that butterflies in your stomach. Yung unang kilig mo with someone, with your crush, sa feeling, sa isang bagay, sa
Been there, done that.
experience, sa lugar. So, I think hindi lang siya romantically, it's also with something na nagkaroon ka ng connection with.
Una sa lahat, syempre, nakakataba ng puso kasi para maimbitahan nila ako sa music video na
How
Beanie.
does it feel?
Pangalawa, niloko ko na lang sabi ko, ako siguro pinakamatanda rito na yun.
Yeah.
Doon sa mga, kasi ang ganda ng title, yun yung feeling. Sarap sa feeling, kasi parang sa tagal ko na rin sa industry, hindi ko alam kung kailan hindi ako nakagawa ng, nakasama sa music video. Kaya salamat sa inyo, Beanie.
Ang dami-dami mong chance para sa...
Pwede tayo magdahan.
Take 2.
Ang dami-dami mong chance para sabihin sa akin yung totoo, pero hindi mo ginawa.
Siguro ang similarities between performing on stage and yung acting, of course, yung delivery mo ng lines kada song na nilalabas mo or lumalabas sa bibig mo. Pag nagpa-perform ka, kailangan alam mo yung message ng song. So parang ganun din sa acting. Para makikita mo siya sa mata, mag-feel ng audience mo yung song. Kung saan man yan, kung happy man yan.
Bakit mo yung namin, Choco? Dahil narinig mo na mahal kita? At dahil mahal kita, in-expect mo na patatawarin kita?
And cut.
Oh, okay, that's the third one.
Match together.
Obviously, pag-aari ng Jollibee to.
Jollibee Mix and Match. Our best sarap.
Alright, now I have to go to Jollibee.
Wait lang.
Ready, girls? In 3, 2, 1, action! Lakad-lakad mo kami dito, tapos bigla, ay, bakit dito ka rin? Kasi tayo doon, tapos sige, forward, lakad. Tapos sa judges, tingin ulit kayo. Pero pala tayo pinitigan naman dito doon. And cut!
Lapak tayo, tapos may scene din na tatayo tayo sa sobrang crowd natin.
So, ibig sabihin, si Ma'am Sharon, kung tinatatawa, hindi natatawa sila.
Baka po.
Inaantos siya.
Baka po,
Ay, madali lang. Kakain character sila.
Yung character po tayo.
Ako nag-enjoy ako. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun at saka to me it's an honor kasi sila
So, these people, malalaki silang pangalan sa industriya. And they're in this video, it means na they really support Bini.
Kaibigan mo lang.
So, they're not just participating, but they're actually having fun and proud of it. So,
Dinatense ako kasi alam ko naman kung gano'n ka
okay, so they're really supporting the
Siguro
girls.
kaya role ko. Alam mo naman ako, ang role ko lagi nagsusungit.
Tarot, napapahindak sa kilig.
Palakpak. Yeah, super proud. Super proud. Yes! Ang galing-galing na ng alaga po.
Two directors,
Ay, naku, hindi
one,
ito first
ano,
time kasi in-interview ko na rin sila.
ABS-CBN
At consistent
bigwig.
naman yung mga bata na mababait.
Tapos si Oga
Ang mga
Diaz is a
bata,
talent
alam, down to earth,
manager.
At the same time, full of humility. So, sobra akong
So, todo sila sa support sa Bini. Oo, may magkasakay na ng tunan. And that is so Sheena. More.
Lumilipad na yung paper, tingin sa taas, and then catch.
Okay, they're doing the
Push up.
blink twice
Natin
thing.
sa inyo, malol.
They're paying homage to sa kanilang isang video yung earlier.
And then, buwan, tingin-tingin.
Blink twice.
Tingin ulit, pero
Sasabihin ko ba ang simpleng ngiti?
Ano ba ito?
Just in this Gina.
Yun yung sabi mo yan.
Nagpupunutan pala sila, no? Hindi nila alam ko anong kanilang character.
Yung white yung tama. Comic relief of Oh my gosh! Ako dito.
Sa ano? Nerdy finance. Japanese.
Nerdy finance officer, old money aesthetic,
Ano sa'yo, bebe?
Oh, grunge girl.
rule breaker marketing officer, androgynous, too fast, sporty,
Front desk sa club. Ano gusto mo, grunge?
Ano yung girl?
Ano, emo. Okay.
manager, strict assistant,
Ay,
Sporty siya sa Ano yung sa'yo?
aspiring junior staff. Tapang na makeup ni Mika dito, it's more like goth. As usual, the cutest one, and then mas cute pa rin si Malay, but close second.
Di ko magagawa nararamdaman pag ikaw katabi.
pala yung budget ko. And there's Maloy. Bagay kay Taco yung bonnet. Preppy. Oh no. Shifu.
Oo nga kasi pipitok lang. Pipitok.
Tawin pa ng ibang chika, sa ibang girls naman makipag-usap, pwedeng mas may hand movement tayo. Pinakakulit! Nice! And group hug tayo. Group hug. Yay! And closer, cute. And 3, 2, 1.
Kasama sa hug.
Nice. Perfect po. Good job. Thank you, girls. Perfect.
Kay Dimples, ano? Hindi ginamit ang footage na yan. Girls,
First of all,
you
nagulat ako
look
na si Sheena pala yung
gorgeous. All
pinagawa
of
ulit
you.
ng choreo. Wala kaming idea kasi di naman siya nagkwento. Pero, ang ganda, ang galing ni Sheena gumawa ng choreo, which something na hindi ko, well, magaling siya dun sa Pantropiko, pero parang nasa surprise pa rin ako kasi hindi naman niya talaga sobrang forte pa yung mapag-choreo, pero grabe yung mga nagagawa niya. As in,
Nag-level up
parang
na si Sheena.
iconic, and I can say na for sure magugustuhan din to ng mga tao.
Yes, yes, we did.
3, 2, 1, music.
Yay! French girl?
And 3, 2, 1, action. Cute. And
Ika pa. Yung kay Sheena na ano yun, nasa MGM siya. Thank you. So, wish fulfilled. Okay? Nag-wish ako nito, nagkatotoo. So, yeah! Now, tumama sana ako sa loto. That's my next wish. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. And I have enjoyed it so much. I hope you did too. If you want, comment kung anong gusto nyo makita next. Like and subscribe. And 2, 3. Thank you po. Good night.